Hello, I'm Chief Pat Turner. Another question I've been asked a lot of times is, how do you prepare for the entry-level firefighter oral exam? The oral exam is an important part of the entry-level firefighter hiring process. This interview is designed to evaluate your communication skills, your ability to think on your feet, and your knowledge of firefighting procedures and protocols. To prepare for this exam, there are several steps you can take to ensure that you are ready to present yourself as a strong candidate for the position. First, it's important to research the department you're applying to and familiarize yourself with their mission, values, and priorities. This will help you to understand the expectations of the department and prepare you to answer questions related to their specific needs and priorities. Next, it's important to review the job description and ensure that you understand the duties and responsibilities of a firefighter. This will help you to articulate your skills and experience in a way that is relevant to the position and demonstrate your understanding of the role you're applying for. Another important step is to practice your communication skills. This may involve rehearsing answers to common interview questions, participating in mock interviews with friends or family members, or seeking out feedback from others on your communication style. By practicing your communication skills, you can ensure that you're able to articulate your thoughts clearly and concisely and respond effectively to questions in a professional manner. It's also important to prepare for the technical aspects of the oral exam. This may include reviewing firefighting procedures, regulations, and safety protocols. You may also want to familiarize yourself with the equipment and tools used by firefighters, as well as any specialized terminology or jargon used in the field. By demonstrating a strong understanding of these technical aspects, you can show that you have the knowledge and skills necessary to be an effective firefighter. Finally, it's important to remain calm and confident during the oral exam. This can be challenging as the interview process can be stressful and intimidating. However, by practicing self-care techniques, such as deep breathing or visualization exercises, you can stay centered and focused during the interview. Additionally, by dressing professionally and presenting yourself in a confident and positive manner, you can make a strong first impression and demonstrate your readiness for the position. In conclusion, preparing for the entry-level firefighter oral exam requires a combination of research, preparation, and self-confidence. By familiarizing yourself with the department and the role of the firefighter, practicing your communication and technical skills, and remaining calm and confident during the interview, you can position yourself as a strong candidate for the position and increase your chances of being hired as a firefighter. Another useful tip for preparing for the entry-level firefighter oral exam is to research the types of questions that are typically asked in these types of interviews. While every department may have their own unique interview process, there are certain questions that are commonly asked in firefighter interviews. I invite you to check out the Oral Board Theory course on my website at chiefsclassroom.org. There, you'll be able to view a large number of oral board questions with the associated theory on how to respond. One common question that may be asked in an oral exam is, why do you want to be a firefighter? This is an opportunity for you to share your passion for firefighting and demonstrate your commitment to the profession. To prepare for this question, think about what drew you to the profession. any relevant experiences or skills that you have and how you see yourself contributing to the department. Another common question may be, what is your experience working in a team environment? Firefighting requires a strong ability to work collaboratively with others, so it's important to demonstrate that you have experience working as part of a team. You can prepare for this question by reflecting on your past work experiences, volunteer activities, or sports teams you may have been a part of. Technical questions may be asked during the oral exam. These may include questions related to firefighting procedures, safety protocols, or equipment usage. To prepare yourself for these types of questions, review your firefighting textbooks and notes, as well as any relevant certifications you may have obtained. It's also important to prepare for behavioral-based questions, which ask you to provide specific examples of how you have handled past situations. For example, you may be asked to describe a time when you had to resolve a conflict with a team member or handle a difficult situation under pressure. To prepare for these questions, think about specific situations you have faced in your past experiences and how you handled them. Finally, be sure to practice your interview skills with a trusted friend or family member. This can help you to get comfortable with the interview process and give you valuable feedback on your communication style and delivery. Be open to constructive feedback and use it to improve your interview skills. In conclusion, preparing for the entry-level firefighter oral exam requires research, preparation, and practice. By understanding the types of questions that may be asked, reflecting on your past experiences, and practicing your interview skills, you can position yourself as a strong candidate for the position and increase your chances of being hired as a firefighter. To further prepare for the entry-level firefighter oral exam, it's also important to research the department you are applying to and familiarize yourself with their values, mission, and history. This will not only help you better understand the department's expectations and goals, but also demonstrate your interest and enthusiasm for the position. Additionally, it's important to dress appropriately for the interview, typically in business attire, and arrive on time or even a few minutes early. This demonstrates your professionalism and respect for the department's time. During the interview, it's important to actively listen to the interviewer's questions. Take a moment to gather your thoughts before responding and speak clearly and confidently. Remember to use specific examples from your past experiences to illustrate your qualifications and skills. It's also important to convey your willingness to learn and adapt to new situations, as well as your commitment to ongoing professional development. Firefighting is an ever-evolving profession, and demonstrating your willingness to learn and improve can set you apart as a strong candidate. Finally, be sure to ask questions of your own during the interview. This shows your interest in the position and department and provides an opportunity for you to learn more about the job requirements, department culture, and any potential challenges you may face as a firefighter. In conclusion, preparing for the entry-level firefighter oral exam requires a combination of research, preparation, and practice. By familiarizing yourself with the department, dressing professionally, arriving on time, actively listening and responding, using specific examples from your past experiences, demonstrating a willingness to learn and improve, and asking questions, you can position yourself as a strong candidate for the position and increase your chances of being hired as a firefighter. For a more in-depth look at what's involved in testing to become a firefighter, I invite you to check out the entry-level courses on my website at chiefsclassroom.org. I want to wish you good luck in your quest to earn a firefighter badge. Take care.